Hello students, welcome to the first day of summer camp. I myself Isha Mittal, Isha Goel from Multipurpose. Today I am going to teach you mirror and water image of any number, any alphabet that you can draw easily. Mirror image, firstly, what is mirror and water image? Mirror image is the image that we see the things from mirror. Suppose this say, if you put this alphabet before mirror, how it will look in the mirror. To draw any mirror image, we have the paper folding method. So fold the painted side like this from left to right and press it carefully and remove it. You will see the mirror image of alphabet is similarly as A. It is not A. Next, similarly, if we want to make the water image, how it looks in the water, we will fold the paper from downwards and press this A carefully so that we can get its water image. You will see the upper portion is become the downward portion and the lower portion of this A, this portion becomes like this. So you can get any water and mirror image of anything which you can draw. Suppose there is a number that is 6. I have drawn the 6 number. If you will fold like this paper, like this, from left to right, you will get its mirror image. You will see the 6 will be seen in the mirror like this. The left portion becomes right and the right portion becomes the left. Similarly, when you fold this paper from upward to downward, you will get its water image. This will look in the water. You will fold the paper. Of this 6. This is the mirror image, and you will draw its water image by folding the paper downward and press it. You will get the water image. There will be the upper portion becomes downward and downward portion becomes upper portion. So today's work is to do write your name and some creative things and draw its mirror and water image. Today's summer camp marks will be based on this. So let's start the competition. Draw the mirror and water images with different ideas and with your name also. How will your name will look in the mirror and water? Thank you.